Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is all about the parts of a flower. And to do this lesson, we will need a few materials. We will need a worksheet from sciencefacts.net. We will need some pens or pencils. We will need a dictionary or internet access. We will need some blank lined paper, and we will need a notebook and some glue. The link to getting the template will be in the show notes below. And our ultimate objective is to identify, define, and label the parts of a flower. First step, assemble all your materials. Here is the template, parts of a flower, which you will get when you follow the link in the show notes. And the first thing you're going to direct the students to do is to look at the word box. The first mission is to look up the definitions of each of the words in this list. Once the student looks up each definition, student will write it on the lined paper. After that has been completed, the teacher will want to discuss with the student the definitions and answer any questions the students may have. Then you're going to move to the top, and according to the definition and the purpose of each of these vocabulary words, you're going to ask the student to label each of the parts. You can write them in, or you can cut them out and glue them in. When you are all finished with the activity, you can take each of these, the template and the blank page that was originally blank, which is now filled with your definitions of the words, and paste them into a notebook, and you can refer to this whenever discussing flowering and pollination with your student. Hope you've had fun with this activity. Please hit subscribe to get new teaching lessons in all different subjects every Friday, and for other educational resources to enlighten and entertain your family, check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Until next time, bye.